I'm going to share with you how exactly this company was able to build 700,000 websites. If you haven't already, join our school community. We're the #1 web design school community, and this is just a quick intro as far as what exactly is inside. So we have the community, tons of different members. We have 760 members and counting. We have Classroom where you get access to a free course, and there's leaderboards with incentives on there as well. So let's jump right into the video. So how was this company able to sell 700,000 websites? Now this is very interesting because I've been following this company for quite some time now. So how are they doing this? So they're doing this through the power of advertising through social media and through Google. And let me show you exactly how they're doing it. So if we jump over to their Facebook page here, you'll see this is it. They have 50,000 likes, 57,000 followers. If you go to their page transparency, you can see here that they're currently running ads. So we can go to the ad library. All right, so if we take a look here, you can see all the different ads that they're actually running. And if we scroll all the way down, you'll see how long they've actually been running these for. So these have been around since April, March, February. So all the way since February. So obviously these ads are performing or they would not be spending this much money on advertising. And you can see the amounts of ads they currently have as well by the different creatives and whatnot. And you can see Facebook, Instagram, they have an audience network as well. So this is how they're able to actually advertise. And then there's one other spot as well that I'll show you. So if we jump over into the Google Ads Transparency Center, you can see that they're running ads through YouTube. They're also running ads directly into Gmail. So if you open up your Gmail and you click on the little promotions folder, you'll see that Uni can pop up as well. So that's how they're actually getting the traffic that they are, is through Facebook ads, and then through YouTube ads as well. And then also some Google ads on top of it. So this is how this company is able to sell 700,000 websites. Now let me actually break down the specifics of how they're able to do this, their offer, their price, etc. So if we jump over to their landing page here, you'll see that they're offering get a website built for you in 7 days. Includes a domain, email, hosting, security, and 0% transaction fees. Now, they also offer monthly specials and holidays too. So they're using a combination of urgency in order to achieve this. And also they're price cutting all the competition. So they're saying, we're usually charging $600 for a website, but today we're charging $149 because of this special. And then they also have the MRR angle, which is monthly recurring revenue, and they're receiving $13 a month. Now you may ask yourself, $13 a month, how is that affordable? Well, if you think about it, 700,000 websites times 13 a month, you can see exactly the type of money that they're making. So, and this right here, this $599 into $149, so they've built such an influx of leads and such a stable business model where they're able to price cut the competition completely based off running this right here. So how does it work? So completing the questionnaire. So I talk about this in my own videos and as far as how I streamline things, so I understand exactly how this works. So they have a questionnaire where you essentially pull up and you type in all of the information regarding your website project, and then they simply delegate that to their team. And it's done within 7 days, right? So there's very little confusion as far as the process. So they build out the website from A to Z based off the questionnaire. It takes them 7 days to deliver it back. And then this is the secret right here. So they launch the website live with the individual via Zoom to either upsell them into different services, which I'll show you here. So if we go to pricing, you'll see that they have different options of how they're actually upselling. And you can see, so if we look at the website launch, this is a regular one, but if we look at the growth monthly, and then this is also a bi-yearly, or you can do 2 years too to save money. $62 a month, $1,500 build, and you can see dedicated VIP growth team, marketing plan, one-on-one monthly marketing sessions, marketing advice, 2,000 words of fresh content created for you. So bit of a SEO plan. And then they have unlimited done for you edits in the second package as well. So they get unlimited revisions, and they also offer VIP phone support. So, and they also offer a money back guarantee, I believe, as well. So 700,000 businesses have used this company, and this is absolutely insane. So if you take a look as well on their actual Trustpilot here, you'll see that they have 5,970 reviews, right? So this is bumping them into the #1 category of web design. So they're getting a lot of organic traffic from this, and think about the word of mouth. If you have 700,000 businesses that trust you as well. So this is definitely a very valuable insight, because you can actually replicate some of these things that they are doing and apply it to your own business. Now, you most likely aren't going to be able to offer websites for $149 and deliver them in 7 days without a clear team and a system in place. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, I can make a video as far as how you would create a team for this and how to manage projects within a 7-day time frame and be able to actually charge this low of a price. So right now I offer $299 websites built in 7 days, so a bit over about $100-200 more than this. Now I use I use the upgrade feature on Go High Level. If you didn't see that video, feel free to check it out. But yeah, guys, this is absolutely insane. And then they're just leveraging all of the websites that they have created previously in order to get more clients. So you guys found some value in this video. If you want me to do a breakdown of any other company and figure out exactly how they're operating their business to the degree they are, feel free to drop a comment below, and we can do that in the next one. So yeah, that's the video wrapped up, guys. Take care.